Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a can't change name in Among Us. Only you can get a random ones because if you getting random nicknames, you cannot change to the actual ones. On my account, an account here, and change name. As you can see here, I can change to whatever whatever I like here. It's because you're playing on guest and you do not link your account. So what you need to do here, you need to go to manage account. On the account section, go to accounts.innerslot.com, and then on accounts.innerslot.com, you need to link your login or link your basically account to particular platform. So Steam, Epic Games, Google Play, Apple, Xbox Live, or itch.io. And once your account is linked with an email or the platform, then you can go back to the game, log into that particular account, and then you can change your name like here, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.